Hey everybody, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Glad that you joined to watch today and just my little misadventures here working on the 57210. But today I want to talk to you about these clamps here, these Harbor Freight butt weld clamps. And as you can see, they're a pretty simple mechanism, just a wing nut with a piece of key stock. It's a 1/4 inch key stock, I believe. It could be metric, it's made in China, so who knows. But I've not used these before, and I just used them for the first time the other day. And actually, they solve a bit of a problem that I've been having. Sometimes when joining panels together, I've been getting a kind of a bit of a dip or a sag from one panel to the other. So one will be up, and the other one maybe a little bit, just the angle's off. And so was kind of trying to figure out how I'm going to remedy that problem in joining these panels. It just helps with getting it flush. Now the guys in Canada, interestingly enough, are getting these from Princess Auto, and they have some of them have a little like thumb screw where you can adjust the panel up or down a little bit, and I think that's a great idea. I would even think that you could get a longer piece of key if you wanted more bearing surface. Get a longer key, and just as you put it in, it would give you even more support along the length of the panel. Now I don't know. These are cheap product. I think they're $7 or $8. It's not too expensive. So, but they seem to be helping me with the problem I had with joining these panels and having them a little more level to one another over the length of it. So just wanted to talk to you about those today. And again, any tool that helps you is a good tool. Take it for what it's worth. I think it's worth the $7 or $8 that it costs, and that they are completely usable. So, hey, have a good one. Take it easy.